My name is Hariom. Today, my team and me are presenting the working prototype of our project FeedX, which we developed during 36 hours of hackathon, hackfest 25, organized by IIT Dhanbad. So, our problem statement was why Go close Atom HR division, and we had to deliver a functional performance and feedback module which could easily be integrated with Atom HR's existing codes or existing websites. So, without any further ado, let's just uh, start. So, this is our home page. We have some dummy data here. At last, we have a contact us section. We have made these all functional using Web3 Forms API. We have docs here. In docs, we have in detail explained the tech stack we used, what are our features, and at last we have written here all the endpoints that needs to be adjusted in order to be easily integrated with the Atom HR's website. So let's just start with the main demo. For that, we have to sign up first at the website. Here only HRs need to sign up actually. All the employees and managers will be added by the HR at its dashboard. So let me just write my name, Shan. From here, you can either create an account with an existing organization ID or with a new organization. From where you can get the organization ID, I'll tell you later. For now, let's just start with an organization, a new organization. So we'll click on create account. It will send OTP to our mail. Let me just check my mail. Okay, my OTP is 729253. We'll click on verify OTP. This will uh, create our account at the database. Now we can easily log in. Upon login, we can see our dashboard. It seems pretty much empty now. That's because we don't have any employees or anything right now. So let's just before going into employee section, first let me just show you the profile section. Here you see there is ID. This was the ID I was talking about at the sign up page. You're gonna need an existing organization's ID in order to be basically the second or third HR of that particular organization. So let's just go to employee section. We can add an employee. Let me just name her. Click the email. When we click on add employee, this will successfully create an employee at the backend and send the login credentials to my employee. Just refresh the page. Upon refreshing, it will show the employee that we have added. Same goes with the manager section. So let me just add a manager too. Manager name Rani. Email will be and password will be same. So let's just add in manager. This will do the same process. It will create an user and send login credentials to the email of the manager. So let's just refresh this also, and hopefully we will create a manager here. So for the testing purposes, I'm gonna need to add a new employee here. So I'll skip to that. So as you can see, I have successfully added another employee here. So let's just select one of them. Here I can see the employee details and I can see feedback sessions, active sessions and expired session. We currently don't have any of these because I haven't triggered a feedback session yet. So let's just trigger a feedback session. Either I can set to the feedbacks to be auto triggered, or I can trigger it manually. For now, I'm triggering it manually. Let's just name the session test and request. So it will create a session, and when we refresh the website, we will get an active session. On clicking, we are supposed to see the feedback responses here, but since nobody has responded yet, we cannot see that. So let me just uh, log into another account to show you how this all works. So this is the account that I have created. Actually, this is the another employee's account. Let's just log in with it. So this is the employee dashboard. Here we can see there are feedbacks, goals, and profile. Let's just go into feedback section, and here I can see there is a pending feedback request. So I can give feedback from here. So let me just give a feedback. I have to select some random questions. Like basically I have to give feedback here by filling all this. I'm just type no here too. So look at the questions. This is the feedback that one employee is giving to another employee, right? So these are the set of questions for that. So let me just submit feedback here, and our feedback got submitted. Okay. So let me just log into one more account, basically the manager's account, and from there too, we will see an active feedback session. And as you can see here, the feedback questions have totally changed. So let's just fill this again too. Type no here too. Submit feedback. Okay. So we have successfully submitted our feedback. With it should now reflect upon the HR's dashboard. So let's just log in with the HR's account. Here we can see employees. Go to our employees for which we have triggered the session for feedbacks. Here we can see there are two feedbacks, right? So one more thing, let me just show you. We have triggered a feedback few months ago, right? So if I click on trigger feedback again and enter some random values, it won't create a session because we have set it to be created at an interval of 7 days. Even when I click on auto feedback, it won't create a feedback until the next 10 days. We have set the auto feedback for the 10 days. So that's all about the feedback. Uh, so now we also integrated goals section for the managers to add goals and the employee to mark them complete. So let's just log into manager's account. From here, we'll go into employees. Here we'll see all the employees that are in its organization. So let's just assign Sakshi a goal, set goal. Title will be complete project. Description will be do this ASAP, and date will be tomorrow's. So set goal. We will here we have successfully created a goal here. Okay. So this is now reflected at our employees dashboard. So let's just go into employees dashboard. In the goals section, we can see All the pending approvals, pending and completed goals are there. We can here mark for complete, and then we'll just wait for the managers to uh, ma- to basically approve the goal. Okay, so this was all about the goals. In the dashboard of employee, we have goals assigned, goals completed, basically all the feedback analysis and AI insights. These insights will tell the performance summary and improve suggestion. This will We have integrated this in all the dashboards, the managers, the HRs, and everything. Uh, so yes, yeah, this was our whole website. Thank you.